Hey guys, I am doing a volcano button jar. So first we're gonna add water. Ooh, ooh. There you go. Spill a little bit of time. And 3 drops of this, I think. 1, 2, 3. That should be good. I'm gonna cap it now. You know what? No time for capping. Oil, and then a few drops of salt. There. I think that's good.
More salt. Let's see what happens.
Okay, I think that's good. Let's see what happens. Well, looks like doing good.
Add some more.
Oh, okay. Okay, I think that's enough. Maybe just a little stir there. I think that's gonna work. Look at that. Looks good. I want to mix it. And there goes the cap.
Add more.
More?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, add more. I add the whole bottle. Should I add the whole bottle?
If you want to, let's see what happens.
Okay. I think that was
Okay, that's fine.
okay. That's cool how it goes like to the bottom and then up. Maybe
Like
I
this.
should do a little stroke. There we go. That should be good.